Hello kids, today we are going to draw a nature drawing. What is nature drawing? Exactly, a nature drawing is a drawing which is more related with nature. It is natural scene and nature drawing, both are different. Nature drawing is mostly connected with a nature, flower, vegetations, fruits, etc. And natural scene that is mostly connected with river, mountains and all that. Today we are going to do a nature drawing by using lines and shapes. Take your pencil. Here is your pencil. Now one question mark, one curve touching starting from this point and touching to the end point. One more curve on left side touching towards center. One straight line, one straight line. It should be similar like that line. One more line. Make it one curve. Touch to the center point. One more curve starting from the up portion. One more curve starting from the different direction. One more curve going towards downside. One more curve connected to downside. One curve, two curve on both directions and make it one more curve. This is a rose which is mostly connected with curves. Now one more curve, one more curve. It is a lower petals. Again like a zigzag. 1, 2, 3, 4. Straight line going towards downside. Now we are going to make a leaf which is called as a bladed leaf. Roses have a bladed leaf. One slanting line, one curve line on opposite side, again back, similar as opposite side, come back, one curve, come back, one curve, come back, and touching towards center. Raise it little bit upside more towards a point. This is my veins. My rose is done. Now I am going to do some shades. I am taking 10B pencil. Take it any one portion dark. Any one portion dark. Make it slanting strokes. At a starting point you have to make it very small and then broad and then again small. Same thing. Take it one direction, again same direction. Make it dark. Again strokes. Similar like here. Give it strokes. All the right portion strokes I will be giving. Each and every portion you have to differentiate. Again, right direction. Again, strokes. Stroke should be going in a slanting manner. When you finish your petal, it should be done in a small, tiny way. Again, dark portion. Again, right portion. Go towards downside and make it small strokes. Again, curve. Continue with small to big and again small strokes. Where your end comes, you have to make it small. Here a petal is quite big long. So strokes will be going to continue till mid. Now lower petal. All three corners should be in a right portion. It has some thorns inside, so I am making thorns. Some slanting strokes. Here your rose is ready. Thank you.